Have you ever wondered how the cooking oil you use every day is made in a factory? From sunflower oil to soybean and palm oil, cooking oil plays an important role in our daily meals. In today's video, we will take you inside a modern cooking oil manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process from raw seeds to fully refined, packaged cooking oil ready for the market. So stay with us till the end to understand how pure and safe cooking oil is produced on a large scale. The cooking oil manufacturing process begins with the selection of raw materials. Common oil seeds include sunflower seeds, soybeans, mustard seeds, or palm fruit. These raw materials are first transported to the factory and passed through cleaning machines. Dust, stones, metal particles, and other impurities are removed using air blowers, magnets, and vibrating screens. Proper cleaning is essential to ensure high-quality oil and protect factory machinery. After cleaning, the seeds are sent to the crushing section. Here, the seeds are cracked and broken into smaller pieces using heavy rollers or crushers. The crushed seeds are then heated slightly in a conditioning unit. This heating process helps to increase oil yield and makes extraction more efficient. Once prepared, the material is ready for oil extraction. In this stage, oil is extracted from the crushed seeds. There are two common methods used in factories. The first is mechanical pressing, where seeds are pressed using powerful expellers to squeeze out oil. The second method is solvent extraction, where food-grade solvents are used to extract maximum oil content. The extracted oil collected at this stage is known as crude oil, which still contains impurities and strong odor. The crude oil is passed through filtration systems to remove solid particles, seed residues, and sludge. Special filter presses or centrifuge machines are used for this purpose. After filtration, the oil becomes clearer but still requires refining to improve taste, color, and shelf life. Refining is the most important stage of cooking oil production. First, degumming removes phospholipids and gums from the oil. Next, neutralization removes free fatty acids that cause bad taste. Then comes bleaching, where natural color pigments are removed using bleaching earth. After that, deodorization is done using steam at high temperature to remove unpleasant smell and flavor. After refining, the oil becomes crystal clear, odorless, and safe for consumption. Before packaging, the refined oil is sent to the quality control laboratory. Here, experts test the oil for purity, acidity level, color, odor, and safety standards. Only oil that meets food-grade quality standards is approved for packaging and sale. The approved oil is transferred to automated filling machines. It is filled into bottles, pouches, or cans of different sizes. After filling, containers are sealed, labeled, and printed with manufacturing and expiration dates. Finally, the packed cooking oil is stored in a clean warehouse. From here, it is distributed to markets, supermarkets, and stores around the country. This completes the cooking oil manufacturing process. So this is how cooking oil is made in a factory, from raw seeds to refined, packaged oil ready for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this factory process video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative manufacturing videos. Thanks for watching.